Welcome to RS English classes. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of English reading. Do you know English is a foreign language, and if you don't know how to read, then how can you read newspaper, English newspaper? You cannot read anything if you are going to attend any English competition and the paper will be in English, and if you don't know how to read at that time, how can you read? So you will have to face a lot of problem. So friends, today I would like to advise you that you should read, and English as a language, it improves our personality. So in English speaking, there are four skills LSRW, and if you don't know how to read at that time, you can't speak properly. So the first thing is that you should know how to speak English and how to read English. This is language. So you should behave it as a language, as not a subject. And listening is also important. If you listen carefully any speaker, so you can also speak. So you should always read. And if we talk about English, so you should read English loudly. Then one day I am sure you will become a perfect speaker. So today the student of our English classes will read English and they will speak loudly. So I am going to call a student, and her name is Rupa. Rupa, please come and read this book on the stage. Okay. Put there. Take my.
Good morning, all of you. I am going to read a lesson which name is The Old Kaki. There was an old lady called Kaki. She cried because her hand and feet were very weak. Her husband had died long ago. She lived with her nephew Budhiram. She had transferred all her property to him. Rupa was Budhiram's wife. Budhiram had two sons and a daughter, Ladli. They boys never behaved properly with Kaki. They used to tease her a lot. Kaki would cry out, but no one listened to her. Ladli was the only one who had sympathy for Kaki. Thank you.
Very nice. In this way, anyone can read, and anyone can improve his reading skill. So after that, I would like to call another student, and Khushi Pandey, please come and read loudly here. Take mic.
Hello everyone, I am Sushi Pandey. I am going to read a lesson which name is The Kabli Wala. Little Miri was 5 years old and a great chatterbox. She simple could not live without chatting all the time. Her mother was often worried about his non-stop talking of Miri and tried to silence her Her conversation with her father was always very lively. One day, Minnie burst into her father's study room. She put her arm around him and said, "What do you think, father? Bhola says there is an elephant in the clouds who blows water out of its tongue, and that is why it rains." Before her father Cloud's reply, she ran to the window. "A kabliwala, a kabliwala." Minnie called out to the kabliwala, but when he looked at her, she was in terror and ran to her father. She had heard that kabliwalas sought children, put them in their sacks and took them away. The kabliwala come to Minnie's house and her father made sure that Minnie come out and met him. Thank you.
Very nice. This is reading skill. So after that, I would like to call another student, and she is Meera. Please come. And Meera, come here and read your lesson. Take mic.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Meera Gupta. I am going to tell about a lesson which name is The Right Choice. Rakesh was very excited. It was last day of his examination. His vacation was about to begin. He walked back home cheerfully. As soon as he reached home, he put his bag in a corner and ran towards his brother's room. "Rakesh, don't disturb your brothers. His exams are not yet over," his mother said. Rakesh returned to his room sadly. His brother Mukesh was preparing for the board exams. His parents did not want Mukesh to be disturbed. A little later, his mother called out, "Rakesh." "Yes, mother," he answered, and returned to her room. "What is it, mother?" he asked curiously. The table lamp in Mukesh's room is not working. He need it go and call the electrician. She said. Thank you, Rishi.
Very good. So in this way, everyone should read loudly. So through this, you can improve your speaking English. And I think, do you know what is the value of reading? I think whenever you read, you will see the word, the sentence, and through that you can learn the meaning. Suppose the meaning of mango. Do you know mango, mango? And when you see at that time, you can learn. So the main benefit is that through reading you can improve your vocabulary. So that's good. So after that, I would like to call another student. Please come. Get the mic.
Hi guys, I am Danya Chalsia. I am going to read a book which name is The Right Choice. Rakesh was very excited. It was last day of his examination. His wagon was about to begin. He walked back home cheerfully. back in a corner and run towards his brother's room. Rakesh, don't disturb your brothers. His exams are not over yet. His mother said. Rakesh returned to his room sadly. His brother Mukesh was preparing for the board exams. His parents did not want Mukesh to disturb him. A little later, his mother called him. Rakesh, yes, mother. He asked and he answered and rushed to his room. What is it, mother? He asked curiously. The table lamp in Mukesh's room is not working. He needs it. Go and call the electrician and said, thanks.
Okay, so it is also reading skill, and although her speed is so slow, but she is trying to read, and I always advise to all students, all people, that whenever you get a chance, you should read. Through reading, you can develop your meaning power, even you can develop your speed. Through that, you can read so quickly. Suppose you are taking part in SSC examination, and you will get a paragraph, and the paragraph will be so long, and your speed is so slow. At that time, you can't read properly. So, I think, do you know, in examination, you will not get too much time. The time is very less. So, speed is so compulsory. Then you can decline that passage question easily. So, today the students are in these classes have spoken here about reading skill. So, I would like to advise you, everyone should read. If you read, then you will get both benefit. First thing is this: you will increase your speed, and second thing, you will increase your vocabulary. So, I would not like to make a large video, so I want to say thanks a lot for watching my videos, and I will make video on next Sunday. So thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.